Hello friend, welcome to my channel Cost for Education. Today I am discussing 10 mathematics question for the student who is preparing for the Johor Navodaya Vidyalaya entrance exam. Let's start. And before we start, one thing I would remember you that don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, press the like button. Question number 1. Unit digit product of first 10 odd number is. So first we write first 10 odd number, that is question number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we calculate one by one. First 17 into 19, 3. So unit digit is 3. After that, whatever the number. So after that we multiply 3 with 15. 15 into 3. So unit digit become 5. After that 5 we multiply 3, we got 5 with 1, we got 5 with 9, we got 5 unit digit. With 7 we got 5 as a unit digit. We multiplied with 5, we got 5 as a unit digit, and if we multiplied 3 with 5 we got 5 as a unit digit, and also we multiplied 1 we get 5 as a unit digit. So C is the right answer. Question number 2. Square root of 0.01 by 0.1 plus square root of 0.09 by 0.9 is equal to. So question number 2. 0.01 by 0.1 plus 0.09 by 0.3, that is equal to 0.1 by 0.1 plus 0.3 by 0.3, it's become 1 plus 1, that is 2. So D is the right answer. Question number 3. Find the LCM 30, 40 and 60. So we simply calculate LCM 30, 40 and 60. 2, 15, 20, 30. 2, 15, 10, 15. 3, 5, 10, 5, 5, 1, 2, 1. So LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 2, that is 120. So D is the right answer. Question number 4. A man can read 100 pages in 25 minutes. How many pages can he read in 5 minutes? Simply we calculate it in unitary method. In 25 minutes he read 100 pages. In 1 minute he reads 100 by 25 pages. In 5 minutes he reads 100 into 5 by 25, that is 20 pages. 20 pages. So C is the right answer. Question number 5. Perimeter of a rectangle is 80 centimeter. The length and breadth are in the ratio 3:2 respectively. What is the area of rectangle? So first question number 5. Perimeter is 80 centimeter. So length plus breadth equal to 80 by 2, that is 40 centimeter. So length is to breadth ratio 3:2. So length is 40 into 3 by 5, 24 centimeter. Breadth is 40 into 3, 2 by 5, that is 16 centimeter. Area is 24 into 16 centimeter square, 384 centimeter square. So B is the right answer. Question number 6. Arun deposited rupees 14,600 at the rate of 14% per annum for 175 days. Find the amount he got back after 175 days. So calculate it from formula, that is P is 14,600, T is 175 days, that is T equal to 175 by 365 year. Rate is 14%. So interest is PTR by 100, that is 600 into T, that is 175 by 365 into 14 by 100. So 0,000. 5. 35, 5, 7, 3, 2. So 70, that is if 70 into 14, 980 rupees. So amount is 600 plus 980, that's become 08 51 15,580. So A is the right answer. Question number 7. 56% of a number is 1064. What is 38% of that number? So we simply calculate 7, 56% equal to 106,464. 1%, that is 1064 by 56, and 38%, that is 1064 by 56 into 38 to 28. So 14 to 5 3 2 2 again 7 2 7 7 38 into 19, that is 38 into 19, that so answer is 722. B is the right answer. Coming to the next question. 8. I bought a watch for rupees 400 and sold it in 484. Find the gain percentage. So 8, CP, that is 400, SP, that is 484, profit, that is 484 minus 484, profit percentage, that is 84 by CP, that is 400 into 100, 21%. A is the right answer. 8 men can do a piece of work in 9 days. How many more men should be employed to finish the work in 6 days? So simply unitary method, we calculate it in 9 days man require 8, in 1 days in 1 days man require 8 into 9, in 6 days man require 8 into 9 by 6, that is 3, 2, 4, 12 men require. We have already 8 men and we have to engage 12 men, so 4 more men needed to do the work in 6 days. So C is the right answer. Question number 10. A boy slept at 9:45 pm and woke up the next morning at 5:30 am. He slept for. So he woke up at 5:30 am, that is 5:30 am, and slept at 9:45. So 9:45, it is not 5:30, it's, we have to add 12 on it, so it's become 17:30. After that we subtract it, so we have to 1 hour this side, it's become 90 and it's become 16, so there is 45 minutes 7, so 7 hour 45 minutes. C is the right answer. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.